Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Justin, you're on Fast Entrepreneur. Today we're driving and you're on my dashboard. Hey folks! Alright, so good morning, or GM as they say. Who is they anyways? I'm just a regular dude. I'm out for a drive here and I thought I'd shoot a quick video. Sometimes people ask me books that I would recommend. And so specifically, here's 5 books that I would recommend. Now again, this is not financial advice. This is never financial advice. Do your own research. I am simply recommending books that I've read, that I've enjoyed, that I've gotten some value out of. If you want to check it out, you can. So these are 5 books that I would recommend to somebody looking into finance, perhaps for the first time. Maybe your knowledge is limited, or perhaps you have a little bit of background but you'd like to increase your book knowledge, if you will. All right, in no particular order, but kind of. The first 2 books are going to be kind of just foundational, faith-based, good, solid money books. The next 2 will be practical, and I'll tell you more about them. And the third is just, we'll tie it all up with a grand, like, overarching kind of just what the heck is going on from start until finish. Just a really nice book that sums up macroeconomic trends. Okay, so let's get into it. The first 2 books that I want to recommend are, well, actually, you know what? Instead of recommending books, I'll just recommend the authors, because I think you can find the books for yourself. But the first 2 authors would be Dave Ramsey and Susie Orman. That's right. Why? Well, they're both positive, upbeat, faith-based, conservative, principled, money people. They won't speak to you like, you know, blah, 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 blah. They're going to speak to you like they're your friends, what you need to know, how to protect yourself, and the bare bones basics. Lots of good financial, just basics from those 2. So Susie Orman and Dave Ramsey. All right. The next 2 books, a little bit more practical, a little bit more in-depth. These are, I'm going to recommend reading Burton Amalkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street. It's been a national bestseller many times over. He was a professor of mine. Great book. And he introduced me to John Bogle. That's right. How many are all Bogle heads out there? John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Investments, one of the largest mutual fund companies, assets under management in the world. And if you follow John Bogle and learn about index fund investing, then maybe too you will become a Boglehead. My head is like in this steering wheel. It's like a half steering wheel. Woo! All right. And then finally, can you see my eyes? And then finally, our final book here, folks, that I'm recommending. There's probably several by this author, but you can look up which one you choose. But I'm going to pick Ray Dalio. Well, who is Ray Dalio? Ray Dalio, he is perhaps... That's right. He is perhaps the most successful hedge fund manager on the planet Earth of Bridgewater Associates. If you don't know who he is, highly recommend, highly recommend. This is a guy that, listen, he's a rich billionaire for a reason, and he's super dang smart. And if he's writing his stuff in a book, perhaps you want to take a listen. Well, there you have it, folks. Those are my top 5 recommended books for finance. So, can you see me now? Can you see me now? But let me now, here's the thing. It's one thing for me to just, give you a list of 5 books and then blah, 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 blah. And guess what? You watch this video and then nothing ever happens. You never read them. You never apply them. So you never even know what you don't know. Well, folks, I can't do that for you. All I can do is provide my recommendations. I hope that you will like them. I hope that they will bring benefit to your lives. And what I would say is, if you do end up reading them or even one of them, come back to this video, write in the comments, tell us, what you like. Tell us like one thing that you really enjoyed from reading these books that you are going to remember, hopefully for a very long time, perhaps the rest of your life, and that you would want to share with others as well. Like always, if you guys like the content, if you like this stuff, and if you just like me in general, I appreciate it. I get my self-worth value from all these likes and these subscribes. No, but seriously, if you like the channel, if you like the videos, and you want more of the stuff, please go ahead and hit that. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, if you're an action taker, if you're a doer and you're not just somebody, that's just gonna blah, 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 listen and not do nothing, then just leave. But if you're an action taker, go ahead and write something in the comments. And like I said, go take action. Even if you don't read the whole book, maybe you only read like, I don't know, a portion, maybe even like a sentence or a paragraph, but you get some value, come back here and let us know. All right, folks, that's it. Peace. Have a blessed day.